How to use ultra wide camera on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use ultra wide camera on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use the ultra wide camera on your iPhone, it's actually very simple, because all you have to do is just open the camera app, and be it either front camera or the back camera, what you want to do is, let's say you're on the back camera, by default you're going to be in 1x. So if you really want to utilize that ultra wide camera, you just have to switch to 5x that you can find it, which is 0.5x, sorry. And similar is also the case on the front camera. Let's say you're taking here, you can just tap this icon in order to switch to ultra wide. In the video as well, whenever you're taking a video, you can just try to switch to that format. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use ultra wide camera on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.